And my brothers, I remind myself and I remind you all to have fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I know every single week you keep hearing about having fear of Allah. Fear of Allah that is most deserving. The fear that will stop us from committing the haram and from committing that which displeases Allah. The fear that you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching every single move I make. That fear. The fear when you're on the road and there's a safety camera, you know that if I speed or if I run that red light, it's going to snap me. It's going to take a shot. So no matter what happens on that particular traffic light, you're never going to speed there, are you? Because you know, you have conviction in your heart that that box, if I cross it, it's going to snap, it's going to take a shot, and there's a consequence that I've got to pay for it. This is the fear of Allah that should be in the heart of a believer. That Allah is watching 24 hours of the day. Have you ever been to those speed cameras? Hell, if it's 3 o'clock in the morning and there's no one on the road, no one, there's absolutely no one on the road, would you run the red? But there's no one on the road. Logically, let's speak logic. There's no one on the road. You're not going to harm anyone. Would you run the red? No. Would you speed? No. But the traffic light that's after it, I'm going to run not only the red, I'm going to run whatever color comes. But that one, because you know in your heart, and you know without full certainty that there's something watching. My brother, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching every single move you make. This is the fear of Allah that we should be trying to get into our hearts and to get into our lives.